In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Nano Banana for product packaging design. We're going to dive into the steps needed to transform your product concepts into beautifully packaged realities. So let's get started. First things first, what you need to do is head over to Google Gemini. This is the application where all the magic happens. You can easily access it through your browser, and it's compatible with most of the existing systems, whether it's Android or iOS. Now that you've opened Google Gemini, you should be able to see an interface that looks quite user-friendly. Once you're there, look for the Add Files icon. This icon typically resembles a small folder or a file with a plus sign. Clicking on this icon will allow you to upload files directly into the Gemini environment. It's essentially your gateway to bringing your designs into the program. It might be helpful to organize your files beforehand so you know exactly what you need to upload without any hassle. Now, after you've clicked the Add Files icon, it's time to upload your existing product images or logos. Find those files on your computer and upload them to Gemini. This step lets the application recognize the product you're working on and forms the basis upon which you will apply your design tweaks. It's essential to ensure the images or logos you upload are of good quality, as this can significantly affect the output. Next, you're going to create a detailed text prompt. This is where you'll describe your product precisely and comprehensively. Ensure you include specifics about your desired packaging and any particular style or theme you're aiming for. Setting the scene is important too. Think about where you imagine your product and what lighting it would be best displayed under. Maybe a soft studio light or perhaps in an outdoor setting. Also define the style. Would you like it to appear minimalist, retro, or hyper-realistic? The more details, the better. Don't forget to mention any specific elements you want in your packaging, like labels or colors. Specify your brand's colors or particular font styles that you would like displayed. Details about camera angles and lighting can also make a significant difference. Whether you want a flat lay or an eye-level shot, make sure you mention it. All these details will guide the AI in applying a design that aligns closely with your vision. After setting up your text prompt, click on the Generate button. This is where the AI steps in, applying the style and modifications to the product image according to your prompt instructions. Wait a few moments as the AI works its magic. Once the AI has applied your desired style, review the image carefully. If you're happy with the results, you can proceed to download the image bearing the new font style and visual elements, and there you have it, a beautifully designed product packaging image ready to wow your clients or customers. This process not only saves you time, but also allows you to see multiple design possibilities with ease. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and happy designing.